Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Birch, or I go by Rachel Lucas Birch for my art business. This today I want to do an acrylic pour. I'm going to experiment with a few things. Right now I've got some paint here, and I'll go over my supplies real quickly. I am going to be using Floetrol. Floetrol is in all of them. They are very liquidy for the Dutch pour, very fluid. I'm also going to experiment with two different Cell Magic materials or silicone type things. I'm going to use Cell Magic for one pour, and then I'm also going to use my good old silicone spray also. And then I'm thinking I might do it without it. So the very first one I'm going to do a pour. I think I hopefully have enough paint here to do 3 pours. I've got a couple round wood pieces, and then I have a really nice canvas. So I'm going to experiment first too, and then I'll probably use the silicone spray on the last one. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how we decide. So I'm also using for the teal, I have this acrylic fine touch paint from Hobby Lobby. I also squirted some of this crafts paint in there. I also put a little bit of metallic paint in there. For the black, I'm just using, I think it's Anita's black paint or something like that, craft paint. And then I also put in there, it's not actually quite black, it's got a little bit of blue, so I put some of this front door paint that I have just to see what happens. The white is a mixture of some Art Loft Flow paint and some house paint, indoor house paint. This copper is this flat metallic paint by Americana Decor. Rose gold, actually, it's not copper, it's rose gold. And the orange also is just a mixture of acrylic paints. And you can see, you might be able to see here how fluid these are. I don't know if you can see that. They are very fluid. So let's quit talking and just get to pouring. There. So what I noticed with the Dutch pours, that they usually pour some white on first. So again, this is going to be one that doesn't have any Cell Magic or anything in it. Not that I know of. It might have some residue because I do pre-do my bottles a little bit. I pre-mix them. Ooh, that would not be good. Let's see. Let's just smear. Got a little bit of orange in there, but that's okay. Oh, and I forgot my, I am on my drafting table, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, there's some Cell Magic in there because you can see it popping. So there is something in it. Maybe. Well, somehow it stopped in the middle of all of that, but we're going to keep going. How do they do that? No. All right, process number 2. I went ahead and remixed a white that doesn't have anything in it. And last one, I think it had a lot of Cell Magic in it. I'm also going to add a bit more of this paint because it like didn't show up at all. So I'm going to add a good, just to thicken it up. I think it's too thin. Here goes my nose. Anybody else suffering from seasonal autumn allergies like me? Comment below. Okay, maybe that's a little better. Okay. So I'm also not going to use the orange because I don't know if that has anything in it. Okay. So this is the white. It's a little thicker. So for this next one, I'm just going to do the basic flip cup. So here we have the first one we poured. Dutch pour, trying to do a Dutch pour style. And yeah, I really like the colors. The orange and the copper kind of color didn't come through as much. This one also probably had a lot of cell magic in there. And then this one here, I tried to make sure that I only poured it with stuff that I knew would not have any silicone stuff in it at all. And we still got some cells. I did use a torch to get some of the smaller cells. But I really like this one too. It's not so crazy as this one. This one's really crazy. And then this one's a little bit more flowy. Oh, this nose of mine. I so apologize. But this one is the one that I did last with my silicone spray. And I just did it as a regular cup pour. No Dutch pour or anything. Lots of really cool cell action. I wish I could show you, I wish I could really show you how shiny it is, like metallic it is with the metallic paints that I have in there. But yeah, this one came out really cool. So if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll do some more of these for you. I'm also going to post these on sale once I get them all varnished and looking pretty on my Facebook page. So anyways, I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to do one more, use up some more of this paint. And I'm going to do it by just dropping actually couple drops of this Cell Magic into the cup. And I'm just going to pour it out. So here is this final pour here. I don't know if I could get you to see the sparkles. I wish I could get you to see the shiny, sparkly parts. Iridescent. Oh, I like that. Look at that. That's so pretty.